Captain's Log, USS Henning Supplemental. We have stopped by on Henning's shakedown voyage to Starbase 11 to capture a look at the beautiful anomaly that the crew have named the Violet Flower. However, due to extreme readings captured by one of our probes, I elected to continue on this Henning's maiden voyage. However, to ensure that this anomaly isn't forgotten, the USS Enterprise has been dispatched to the area.
Captain's Log Supplemental. The USS Enterprise has been dispatched to investigate an anomaly known as the Violet Flower. Discovered by Acting Captain Janeway a few days prior on the USS Henning's maiden voyage, members of the science team has been enthusiastic to say the least around this new discovery.